Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake garnish. We will explore several easy methods to transform your cakes from simple to spectacular. You do not need fancy tools or extensive experience to create beautiful decorations. With just a few common ingredients and a little creativity, you can add a professional touch to any dessert. Get ready to impress everyone with your beautifully adorned cakes, making them truly unforgettable. Chocolate is a versatile and delicious garnish. To make elegant curls, simply scrape the back of a warm knife across a block of tempered chocolate. For delicate designs, melt about 2 ounces of chocolate, put it into a small parchment cone, and pipe your desired shapes onto parchment paper. Once cooled, these pieces add a sophisticated touch to any cake. Fresh fruits and edible flowers offer natural beauty. Arrange a colorful mix of berries, like strawberries and blueberries, or thinly sliced kiwi for a vibrant display. Candied orange or lemon peels provide a sweet and tangy zest, adding both flavor and visual interest. Delicately placed edible flowers, such as pansies or violas, bring an elegant, garden-fresh appeal to your dessert. To complete your cake's presentation, consider some simple finishing touches. A light dusting of powdered sugar or cocoa powder can instantly elevate its appearance, giving it a polished, bakery-quality finish. For a bit of glamour, sprinkle on some edible glitter. Finally, a border of finely chopped nuts or colorful sprinkles can add delightful texture and visual interest, making your cake truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.